Hi. I'm a happy horse. This is the H sound, and this is the letter H. H, H, happy horse. H, H, happy horse. What is the beginning sound? H, H. What letter is this? H, H. Hamster, horse, hippo, hen, heart, hand, honey, house, helicopter, hood, hat, hell. So let's sing the song. Hamster, ha, ha, hamster. Horse, ha, ha, horse. Hippo, ha, ha, hippo. Hen, ha, ha, hen. Heart, ha, ha, heart. Hand, ha, ha, hand. Honey, ha, ha, honey. House, ha, ha, house. Helicopter, ha, ha, helicopter. Hood, ha, ha, hood. Hat, ha, ha, hat. Hell, ha, ha, hell. Hamster, horse, hippo, hen. Hamster, horse, hippo, hen. I can see a horse. I can see a hamster. Heart, hand, honey, house. Heart, hand, honey, house. I can see a hand. I can see a house. Helicopter, hood, hat, hell. Helicopter, hood, hat, hell. I can see a hat. I can see a helicopter. We reached to the end of our session today. Thanks for watching me, teaching you, and ta-ta for now.